Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the B&H Photo, Video, and Pro Audio mobile app works. This app is designed for photographers, videographers, audio professionals, and tech enthusiasts who want quick access to gear, reviews, and expert support from one of the world's largest photo and electronics retailers. The B&H mobile app allows users to browse an extensive inventory of cameras, computers, drones, studio equipment, and more. It provides high-resolution images, detailed specifications, and real-time stock updates. Users can read verified reviews, compare products, and manage wish lists. The app also includes access to daily deals, personalized recommendations, and order tracking. For those looking to speak with experts, live chat and customer support are built in. One of the biggest pros of the app is the product variety and detail. With rich media and accurate specs available for nearly every item, the app's performance is generally fast and intuitive, and it supports secure checkout and quick payment methods. Additionally, it's frequently praised for its educational resources and helpful content. On the downside, some users say the interface feels a bit cluttered at times, and international customers may face shipping limitations or higher costs. Recent user feedback is mostly positive, with buyers appreciating how easy it is to check stock and pricing on the go. Many enjoy using the app to track orders and explore gear, noting that the images and descriptions are detailed and helpful. A few mentioned occasional bugs during updates, but these issues were usually resolved quickly. In summary, the B&H mobile app is a powerful shopping companion for creatives and tech buyers. Its in-depth product info, reliable service, and expert support make it one of the best retail apps in its category for professional and hobbyist use alike. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.